We can go to the maps at any time.
Yeah,
there we are.
There we go.
Huh? How about that? There we go. All right, we've got clear skies here in the metro area where things are relatively quiet. And in fact, looking pretty good here temperature-wise. For now, definitely cooler than we've been in past days. We're in the low 50s. And as we get up over the northern mountains, what you can see here, if you look along the surface here, is we've got some gusty winds across the spine of the northern mountains as well. So we're definitely seeing those winds crank up a bit. 51 degrees in the metro. Northwest winds at 16, gusting to 24 here in the city. So there's no doubt it's breezy. It will back off wind-wise, though, for tomorrow. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s off to the north. Down to the south, 30s, 40s, and 50s. Looking at the wind speeds out there, metro area sustained at 16, 10 miles an hour up in Santa Fe, 16 in Taos, up around Alamosa and Durango, between 10 and 20 miles an hour. Farmington, 20 miles an hour as well, and down in Deming, 15. So it's breezy across a good portion of the state here. Looking at satellite and radar, we actually have our ridge of high pressure once again building in across the west. Not what we want to see. This tends to limit storm activity, keep us pretty dry for long stretches. The good news is we will break down this ridge into the weekend, and it looks like we're going to see a fairly exciting weather pattern setting up for the weekend and into next week as well. So we do have a real chance to start to crank up some more snow here by Sunday. Now, as far as tonight goes, it will be cold out there, below zero in the northern mountains, 20s elsewhere. And then as we head in throughout the day tomorrow, again, more northwesterly flow, but that'll start to flatten out as high pressure goes away here, and we see more of that westerly flow in place for Thursday. That'll allow for a temperature jump, and then eventually we'll drag a wide-scale trough in across the area here into the weekend, along with some much colder air across the east side of the state, which will slide across the rest of New Mexico. So the combination of the trough and cold air will help to keep things much more active through the weekend. But as you can tell here, just a few clouds during the day tomorrow, not much. Over the mountains, we could see a few high clouds streaming through, but there's nothing to worry about precip-wise. And in fact, it looks like we're going to stay pretty quiet here through early Saturday, and then you'll notice the increasing clouds across areas like southern Colorado. Now, at this point, no showers in the forecast there quite yet. Let's wait and see how things shake out. Same deal across the northwest. We're expecting more clouds Friday into Saturday as well, with a temperature drop by Sunday back into the 40s for highs. Across the southwest, a milder day for tomorrow, and clear skies on the way all the way to the mid-70s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday before temperatures drop off. Now, over to the southeast, you'll see more cloud cover here coming up late in the work week and into the weekend. And by Sunday, a high of just 48 degrees, but we are definitely looking at a temperature roller coaster. We'll hit 78 in Roswell Thursday, and then again that 48 on Sunday. Up to the northeast, this is where the action gets interesting thanks to the front coming into the northeast Saturday into Sunday. Temperatures drop significantly, and snow is a real possibility going into the back half of the weekend. Temperatures for the most part 40s over the northern mountains for tomorrow. And yes, we are looking at the possibility of another mountain snowstorm Saturday into Sunday. East Mountains, more sunshine, warmer day on the way. 52 Cedar Crest, 54 in Moriarty, and 55 out in Estancia. A chance for snow developing here too on Sunday. Here in the metro area, mostly sunny, warmer conditions. Temperatures in the low 60s after a start in the 20s. And yes, Rio Rancho's got the shot at getting rain-snow mixes. And same deal in the metro area. Pretty quiet through Thursday. In fact, pretty warm, 68 degrees, but by Sunday, we have a chance at rain-snow mixes on a high of just 49 degrees. Much more on Twitter at KRQE Mark.
All right, sounds good, Mark. Thank you.